Hello guys, that's Rex Colton here with another video. Today, I will be evolving Capsule Cat right now, because I've been thinking getting this, so I could get 128,000 and upgrade Capsule Cat, guys. So right now, we're going to Special Cats and upgrade 1, 2, and let's see guys. Capsule Cat 1, 2, 3. Cramped Cats, okay? So right now, I will be upgrading some stuff. Well, my power, I guess I can upgrade. And I can upgrade. So let's see this. 50,000 XP. 50,000 XP, so let's start. Right now, let's go to Easter Island and take our new cat with us. Yay! Oh gosh, let's see. Whoa. Okay, right now, I don't know what to do. There's a rhino, yay, rhinoceros. Can't I get any better? 444. That's cool, Capsule Cat is dead already. Why? Does he die easily? You gotta be kidding me, huh? He dies easily. What? No, Capsule Cat, don't die easily this time. He does die easily. What's so good about him if he dies easily? Gotta be kidding me. Capsule Cat, literally in one shot, he dies. What's wrong with him? I don't like him that much no more. He dies this easily. Okay, I'm just sending out a lot of cats right now. Seriously, sorry guys, I gotta turn this really down. See? Look at this. He really gets touched. He dies, gosh. Gotta be kidding me, man. I don't like it dying that easily, guys. Oh! He could kill any enemy in one shot, I think, but he will die. Easily. Pretty sure he couldn't shot anything, but he'll die easily. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. Okay. You like doing that, huh? So I'm pretty sure he does kill anything in one shot. I'm not 100% sure, but I think he does. Let's send one out again. But I don't like how he dies easily. That's not good. Like in one shot, somebody kills him easily. That's not good. I kind of like him. He's not one of my favorites. I did like him a lot because he was pretty hard to get. But now, he does die easily, but that's not a big problem. Kind of. Kind of a problem, but not really. Okay, let's go to my rare cats. What could I get? I still remember I thought God was like a really good cat, but no, you can't even use him. Got him all leveled up. Bean cats. Should I? Kinda want to upgrade a little lizard cat, but no, not really. I don't really like him. Cramped cat, I was really happy to get him, but he dies pretty easily, but he's not really that good. Okay, right now it's at 11. Upgrade once. Okay, workers. Okay, where's the energy? Mine is at 12, so clearing the cat. Amount of XP. So let's go to a different cat stage and clear it all. Okay, let's go to Mexico, guys. Okay, so okay. Woo! I'm just gonna wait until I could upgrade again to 360. 360. Okay, I'm gonna send out some cats right now. Weehoo, cats. Okay, so I'm gonna wait until I get somebody pretty good. Okay. Okay. So they're gonna clear him out. Oh no, there's a stupid penguin. I hate the penguin. I do not like the penguin at all. The penguin sucks. So I'm gonna send out this to that cost 200 bucks. Okay, I gotta send out. These are like my stormtroopers. The little two cat. The cat. Feel like stormtroopers. Oh no, 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 go die. Okay, so I'm gonna send out Devil Cat. I don't know why, I just like him a lot. So I send him out because he looks cool. Stupid. This is 900. No, no. Okay, I think I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna send out these guys right now. Okay, okay. Wait, you can never upgrade, what's it called? The cat capsule, Cramped Cat. Sorry, but you can't upgrade him because he's, really rare, so he's one time special, I think. Pretty sure he's one time special. Okay. Okay, Titan cats. Send out these cats down here. And now he's dead. I just saw that. We're not gonna die today, guys. We're not gonna die. But I'm not really even sure what the capsule cat thingy majigger does. Cramped cat? I'm not sure what it does. I just know he dies easily, and that's it. Okay. So we're gonna win today. Blast that off. And we won. That's nice. Right there we won. Pretty nice. Okay. Let's go. One more. To NASA. We could fight space cats or something, right? Could we fight some space cats? Seriously? We could. Oh, wow. There's just a satellite. There's no like space cats like an astronaut suit or something. Oh, whatever. Right now. Oh. I'm gonna send out Ninja Cat. Fine. So they sent out something really good. Wow, thanks. Thanks, I appreciate that. Just sending out some good people right now. I was gonna say Pokemon. I don't know why I was like what. But thanks. Sending out some orange enemies. I appreciate that. So I'm sending out Devil Cat because I'm pretty sure he is strong against orange enemies. So is Ninja Cat and the other cat. I'm just gonna shoot you guys right there. Okay. It would be cool if they in the next update a battle cast they could have multiplayer mode so you could fight against people online. That would be cool. I would like that a lot. I'm gonna send out you guys. Come on, Devil Cat. Oh, okay. Just like dying out there, huh? Not to blame you. There's a lot of orange enemies out there. Okay, right there. Okay. So I'll send out. Ooh, we can blast them. Thanks. Okay, one more. Send out the whole row. Should I send out giraffe? I'm gonna see. Just gonna see. I'm just gonna upgrade it one more time. So I get 3,000. Come on, me kitty catties. You could do this. It doesn't matter there's fat pigs and fat rhinoceroses out there. You can still do it, right? No, you can't. Let's see. You can do it, please. You can do this. You could kill that rhinoceros, but you can't even kill a pig. What's wrong with you? Wow. Pulling back up, guys. Come on, giraffe cat. You can beat up this pig, right? Beat up this pig. Why is there a seal in here? This is Mexico. There's no seal. Wait, no, this is NASA. Why is there seals in NASA and alligators? Get out of here, seal. Go back to Antarctica. Finally, there we go. Come on, piggies. Come on. I mean, piggies, kitties. You're in here to get your friends, huh? Let's get him because he's really fast. See? Come on. Finally. We're almost going to kill the pig. Let's just shoot this so they could go back. Come on. Finally, we can do this. Woo! Victory screech. We do it. We did it. Lo hicimos. Oh, okay. I'm going to Las Vegas. Going to Las Vegas. Who wants to come with me to Las Vegas? There's snakes in the casino and cats. Or are they coming through a casino? Get away from me. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Okay, I really should do something about it. I'm just gonna send out these people. Come on. Yes, Kitty Cat's killing all these. See, this is why I like the Ninja Cat. He's really cool. He looks awesome. And he knocks back enemies anyway, so that's cool. But those stupid stickman people. Get away from me. Get away from him, stickman. Okay, they barely do any damage. And there's Pedo Bear. Okay. He came out. Okay, what's he doing in a casino? Okay, what is Pedo Bear doing in this casino? Get out of here. Okay, I see. Okay, he likes to knock out some cats. Please stay away from my cats, Bear. Stupid Pedo Bear. Get away from my cats! I'll murder your family. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Oh no, please, don't. Okay. Okay. My poor kitty cat. I'm gonna send out my devil cat so he can beat up Pedo Bear. And his stupid squirrels that keep on coming. Why does he need squirrels? What's wrong with Pedo Bear? He needs squirrels. Get away with your dumb squirrels. My poor cats. They're dead because of Pedo Bear. Oh no. Kitties. No kitties. Come back here. Okay. Okay, finally. Come on. Devil cat. Kill him. Kill that stupid bear. Oh no. Devil cat. Don't give up on me. Oh, I hate you, Devil Cat. You could die. Because you can't even beat up Pedo Bear. What's wrong with you, Devil Cat? Please don't give up on me, Devil Cat. Okay, there. River's dead? Nope. Oh, he doesn't like to die, huh? Well, I want him to die. Okay. Okay, so I send out my cat dragon. I mean my lizard cat. And finally! He died. Peter Bear finally died. Let's see if these guys could do it. Lo siento, Dios. Please kill these stupid squirrels. They're really annoying. I hope they die. The squirrels are annoying. And please make these cats kill the snakes, Dios. They're really annoying, especially the squirrels. They're stupid. Please, please, God, make these stupid squirrels die. Please. Oh, okay, Colton, you just gotta send out some strong stuff right now. Final. Oh, at least I'm still doing this. But these squirrels are really annoying, actually. I do not like these squirrels. So I just had to call them back up. So I don't know why, but still, the squirrels are really annoying. Yeah. Are we gonna do this? Yeah. We finally destroyed this Las Vegas. Okay, we're in Hollywood, but right now we need to upgrade some cats. Upgrade these cats. Okay, so what? Okay, right now you got that done. Wait, I still got 30,000. Okay, so all these cats are upgraded fully. Okay. So let's see special cats. I haven't even upgraded these fully. Wait, I don't really even have that much cats that I could upgrade. Right now, I am thinking I don't really even like the cramped cats because they're pretty weak. They don't do nothing. Let's go to rare cats. So Jurassic cat, thief cat, swordsman cat. I will try to upgrade swordsman cat because I do need 5 more upgrades so I could get him fully upgraded. So let's clear Hollywood first, and then that'll be last. So our last thing would be Hollywood. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I just got 1,000 more. Okay, I think Hollywood will be pretty hard because they do send out a hippopotamus and a pig. Okay, the pig's pretty strong, so I'm just gonna send out to my strong kitties. Kitties! And I'm almost done. So, and we defeat him in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, see, you got 20,000 bucks for defeating them. So, guys, I do hope you like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!